Alright, y'all, so I'm excited. Today we're going to be unboxing Roaring Moon EX box. I just got it in today. See how cool it is. So let's unbox this bad boy and see what we got. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, so it does come with 4 packs, which we'll open. We got this nice big Roaring Moon EX card right here. That's really nice. Set that to the side. And then we got, these things are always hard to get out. Oh. Alright, so we got a holo and the Ancient Booster Energy Capsule right here. And then we also got a Brute Bonnet holo right there. And my code in the last one, a holo, small holo, Roaring Moon EX. So that's nice. I'm trying to move this stuff around real quick. Alright, let's go. Let's see what we got. Hopefully we get some good hits. That was pretty easy. What we got? Alright, we got a reverse, and a holo right there. Alright, next pack. Alright, let's go. Good hit, good hit. We have a reverse, and nice. That's a good hit right there. Alright, next pack. There we go. Alright, let's go, let's go. Got a reverse, holo. And the energy card. Alright, last pack. Let's go. Big hit, big hit. Alright, big hit, big hit. Alright, reverse, holo. And that is it for the Roaring Moon EX box. And if y'all like this type of content, please like, follow, share, and I appreciate y'all for watching.